For the tabletop single arm row, you're going to get into hands and knees position, and your hips are going to be directly over your knees and your shoulders over your wrists. I like to do these with my fist. So I make a fist, and then I get on the flat part of where the knuckles are, and that puts me in a really good position. It's also really easy on your wrists. And from here, you're going to cat, and then you're going to cow, and then you're going to find a position that's in between the two. So you're in a nice neutral spine. And so the nice thing about this exercise is it's also a core exercise. You're gonna have to hold your core nice and strong. And from here, the last piece of positioning is that you want to kind of screw your fists out a little bit. So like you're screwing your fists into the ground. That will help get your shoulders in a nice position. Instead of being in a turned in position, you want your shoulders turned out. So you're going to screw your fists, and you are shoulder width apart on your fists. So you're going to screw out, and that's going to set your position. Nice tight tummy. And you're simply going to pick up one arm, row the arm into your armpit. So your thumb into your armpit, and then down, keeping those shoulders screwed out. You're screwing out, lift, and replace. Lift, and replace. Bringing that thumb into that armpit. So you should be feeling like a squeeze on this shoulder blade. The shoulder blade should be squeezing towards the other one. So you want to squeeze and lower. Squeeze and lower. And then you'll do the other side. That's it.